To fix the broken switch or stock switch, just take out these two screws and then take out the brass pin, and there are two screws on this side. We need to take out them as well. Now to pull this top cover, just press on this indicator and try to lift this gray part out. Just push it in, lift this gray part out, and it will come off like this. Then you remove the charging cable from the main assembly. Be careful not to let the water go in. Just pull it off and keep this aside. And this is the power switch that's stuck because of dots. So now you can see there are 3 screws, and we need to take this out, and then power switch will come off. That's the power switch, and then as you can see there are a lot of dots stuck in here. That's creating the friction to the spring. Nothing is wrong with the unit, but just the dirt piled up here has caused the resistance. So we just unscrew this. And then just wash it, or like blow some dry air to this. Now to put them back, just hook this spring to the side that's extruded outward, this cylindrical shape, and then here the hook of the spring goes this way. Perfect. And then with the housing, this hook should go here, and then just shoot like this, easy. And then just with a screw all the parts together. Just screw it in, and then check if it's flexible enough. It's not moving too much, not too tight. That's perfect. Now with this push thing, this is the thing that we push this button with. Just push it fully in, and then just hold this swinging part. Now just hold it from this swinging part. It will just hold this, and then just put them back together and then screw them in. And now check if it's swinging properly. That looks good. Now bring the main assembly back and then just plug them in. Make sure it's plugged in the right way, and then just press it and then lock this in, and then screw these two screws in the back and 2 screws on the front, and just slide this in here and it's good to go.